What's up guys, Vacuum Verdict here. Well, today we're just going to do a quick vacuuming the office with this Kenmore Progressive. This is one that I acquired from my local Goodwill for $20, and I did clean it up. I'm debating whether or not if I'm going to get attachments for this thing. It does have the turbo brush, but it's missing the telescoping wand with the crevice tool and the dusting brush combo tool that would go right there. So yeah, it does have a brand new bag in it. So anyway, we'll give it a run. You see it runs nicely. I think the only real issue with it is the fact that the brush roll does vibrate quite a bit. I think that's just probably a worn out brush roll. Actually, no. See, this thing's actually in great shape, but I think there's just play somewhere in the housing, I'm guessing. Not a big deal. I did replace the belt in this too. It's very easy to replace. So yeah, this will get its own video on it. I will do a review video on this machine. But yeah, see, it does groom very nicely. It does have good suction. It does have a very aggressive brush roll, so that's nice. So yeah. And I guess this is a sensor on it. It does not work because I've never seen it flash, but not a big deal. I don't find those particularly useful. I don't think this is a genuine bag. It's just a generic HEPA bag designed to fit Kenmore uprights. You can see it does the job, and there is a little filter down here. And also a HEPA filter back here, which I did replace. Also, for those who didn't see the sticker, there it is. I believe this is a 2006 model, based off the serial number down there. So yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this machine. It's just a very basic Kenmore upright. There's really nothing special about it. I know they make the Kenmore Progressive IntelliClean, which has the direct drive brush roll and a few other fancy features. This one does have the 3-speed power switch right here on the handle. But yeah, so that's the vacuuming the office with the Kenmore Progressive upright. Thanks for watching.